tes 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 tes. Cek 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 dan hips and twist ya. Cek 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 one cek one. Tes tes. Oke, selamat pagi semuanya. Good morning. Oke, bisa dengar ya suara aku ya dengan jelas. Udah dada-dada, udah kasih jempol, berarti bisa dengar. Good. Oke, welcome to the class. Hari ini seperti biasa, Monday we start with flexibility, mobility. Ya, jadi melatih pergerakan di sendi-sendi kita dan juga melatih peregangan di otot-otot di tubuh kita. Oke, hari ini temanya untuk hips ya, bagian bawah hips dan twist untuk bagian atas ya. Hari ini kita combine, jadi aku nggak hanya melakukan bagian atas aja. I just not do the upper body only or Martin the lower body only, but we do all ya. And we divide into two. My part is in the beginning and Martin will be the middle to the end of the class. Okay, good. Let's start with lying down ya, lying down ya, tapi menghadap ke samping. So lying down to the side, right or left, it doesn't matter ya. Use your bottom hands as your pillow ya, like this. Okay, and just relax the other hand in front of your chest, in front of your belly, and you can bend your knees to the side like this. And once you relax, once you're comfortable, start to close your eyes for a moment in the first position. We call it Anantasana, lying to the side. Gently close your eyes for a moment. Relax everything. This morning, this Monday morning, let's start this new week, new day with an open heart, open mind, and be thankful, be grateful for everything that we got till this morning, till this moment. And just say hello to your body, yeah, from the top of your head to your toes, to the toes from the toes to the top of your head. And be aware of this position. Be mindful of this position, the first position of the day. Once you get comfortable, let's bring our attention into our breathing. Always inhale and exhale through the nose. And inhale, don't lock any muscles in the body, just inhale, so expand your belly. Expand the ribs to the side and to the chest to the slightly up. And exhale, relax from the chest into the belly. We call it full yogic breathing in this lying down to the side. Inhale, expand your belly. And when expanding the ribs, feel the right or the left rib cage touching the floor. Push to the floor. And the chest slightly up. Exhale, relax from the chest, the ribs, your belly. And do this full yogic breathing in the beginning of our practice, just to flow in the oxygen into the body. We need oxygen in the body. And release the carbon dioxide throughout the body, out to the universe. Another 5 breaths in this full yogic breathing. Maybe you can try to deeper inhalation, and slower exhalation. Okay, another 2. And with this mindful breathing, just let the mind relax, calm, body relax. Okay, from here, you can open your eyes for a moment and roll to the other side. Maybe first you do the right, now do the left side. Roll to the other side again. Use again the hands to support your head. Okay, and this time, after your hands support your head, and place the other hand, the other fingers, to the rib cage. So your other fingers, your palm, touch to your rib cage, like this. Okay, and from here, now try to breathe more to the rib cage. So inhale. Now to slightly engage your abdominal and only expanding the rib cage to the side. Feel on the floor and feel on your on the palm. Exhale, relax your rib cage. There's a muscle in the inside the rib cage, which is the diaphragm. So when you activate this muscle, moving the rib cage to the side, to the back, to the front, and also it is helping the lungs to work maximize, so we can maximize our lung capacity. Another 1 minute in this rib cage breathing or diaphragm breathing. You can also try to do the soft ujjayi. You can narrowing your throat, yeah, so you can hear the sound of your breath, but only soft. But when you do in the practice, the movement, you can do the slightly strong ujjayi, yeah, because this is the first day of the week. No need to do too much strong. Yeah. Okay, another 5 long and deep breaths with this rib cage breathing or diaphragm breathing. Feel the movement on the rib cage. Okay. Cow, bring your hand to the rib cage below your armpit, not to the hips. Yeah, another 2, inhale, long and deep. Exhale. One last inhale, diaphragm breathing. And exhale. Okay, good. Release your hands. Now slowly you can open your eyes and then now lie down to the floor. Prone position into your belly to the floor. Belly to the floor. You can use your hands now as your support, to support your forehead. And you can open your legs, your feet wider than your hips. And now to try to breathe to the back ribs. Ya, coba bernafas ke punggung atau rusuk bagian belakang kita. Masih tekniknya sama, diaphragm breathing. So slightly in your abdominal, engage slightly the abdominal, and try to do inhale to the rib cage, expanding the diaphragm to the side, to the back. Exhale, relax the rib cage. Okay, and do this back rib cage breathing. Ya, jadi sekarang fokusnya lebih ke bagian belakang tubuh kita. And enjoy this breathing techniques. And this technique also suggested by the doctors. And nowadays, because of this pandemic, we have to maximize the oxygen in our lungs, because our lungs with this COVID, COVID attack the lungs. So we have to breathe, maximize to our lung, especially in this prone position. We can breathe deeper to the back ribs. Stay there around 1 more minute. Maybe you cannot feel much on the back ribs when you do inhalation, but just bring your attention to your back ribs, because usually we only focus on the front of our body in the breathing techniques, in the breathing exercise. Okay, another 5 breath. Aileen, still in the prone position, masih di posisi tenggurup, Aileen? Again, maybe you can breathe deeper, slower exhalation. And let your body relax, calming the mind, calming the heartbeats. And we are ready to do the yoga practice in this morning, because yoga is not only for the body, for the mind, for the soul, for the mindful. Okay, 1 more inhale, and slowly exhale. Okay, from here, inhale, you can open your eyes. Now look to your right side. Yeah, you can start the twist from the neck by looking to the right side. Okay. And also you can bend your knees. Yeah, bend your both knees and then swing your legs side to side. You can also feel the movement not only for the hips but also feel the movement on the lower back. Yeah, feel a gentle movement on the lower back but by swinging the legs side to side. Yeah, we call it windshield wiper on the prone position. Stay there for a moment. Yeah, it's just do slow movement to the right, inhale and connect with your breathing. To the left, exhale, not too fast. Okay, another 2 breath, inhale to the right and exhale to the left. One more. Good. Now inhale to the center, keep bending your knees. Now looking to the left side. Yeah, twist the neck, but keep relaxing the necks. Yeah, don't twist too much. You have the hand to support your side head. Yeah, and again swing the leg side to side. Yeah, maybe slower than before. Yeah, because if we move slow, yeah, it's increase the sensitivity in our body. We can feel more on the joints, which joints moving, which muscles working. Yeah, so move very slow to the right and to the left. Yeah, and in yoga, breathing is always connecting the mind, body, soul. So move with the breathing, with the breath. Yeah, to the right, inhale. To the left, exhale. Good. Another 2 breaths. In this moving side to side, the legs, windshield wiper. And look to the side. One more. Okay. Good. To the center, just release your legs, your knees. And now forehead to the hand. Support again your forehead to the hand. Ya, dahinya disupport lagi oleh kedua tangan. Okay. Stay another 2 breaths in this natural position. Inhale. And exhale. Okay. Now, inhale. Lift your head. And then slightly look forward. Yeah. This time, the right hand to the side. Ya, tangan kanannya ke samping kanan. One line with your shoulder. Okay. And from here, bend your left knee. Tekuk lutut kirinya. Ya. And inhale, open your body to the left, rolling to the left side. And exhale, come back to the prone position. Yeah, to not hold the pose. Yeah, again, inhale, open your body to the left. And maybe you can touch your left toes to the back of your right thigh on the floor. And exhale, back to the center, belly to the floor. Okay, 3 more rounds. Inhale, open your body. Feel also on the shoulder joint. Hanil, tangannya angkat sedikit sejajar bahu. Tangannya di bawah, angkat sedikit sejajar bahu. Yes. And exhale, back to the center, belly to the floor. Kurang sedikit angkat, Hanil, sejajar bahu, Hanil, bukan ke arah pinggul. Dikit lagi, angkat lagi sedikit. Nah, itu dia. Oke, lagi ya. Nah tuh mas, itu kebanyakan, Hanil. Kebanyakan sekarang, turun sedikit tangannya. Ya, oke. 2 more rounds by your own. Coba lagi sendiri. 2 more rounds. Same movement. Ya, feel on the right shoulder joint. Drop to the side. Nola. Jatuhkan ke arah tangan kanannya. Kaki kiri ke arah tangan kanan. Nah, gitu dia. Oke, lalu kembali ke center, belly to the floor lagi, perutnya ke arah lantai. Jangan ditahan, gerakannya belum ditahan. Ya, keep moving, flow dulu, tapi slow movement. Lagi inhale, open your body to the left, and drop the hand, the feet, the toes. Good. 1 more round by your own. Left toes to the right side. Good. Now, yeah, and the last time, one more round. Inhale, open your body to the left side. Now stay in this pose. Yeah, stay in this pose. Feel more on the right shoulder joint, and also feel more on the hips. Yeah, try to open the hips. Okay, stay there for a moment. Yeah, or maybe you can bring the toes, yeah, closer to the right hand. Yeah, and also feel on the left front of your thigh, which is the quadriceps stretch. Okay, the front hips. Ya, yang bisa boleh raih tangannya, kakinya dengan tangan kanan. Ya, like you do dancer pose. Okay, supine dancer pose. Stay for another 2. Just touching ya, nggak usah harus terlalu tarik banget. And one more breath. Okay, exhale, release. Back to your prone position. Kembali lagi ke posisi awal, tengkurap. Okay, then change side. Ya, now the left hand to the side. Okay, bend your right knee, tekuk lutut kanannya, tangan kiri sejajar bahu ya. And then tangan kanannya di sisi dada untuk bantu membuka tubuhnya. Right palm beside your chest. Now from here, inhale, rolling to the left, open your chest to the right. Yeah, exhale slowly back to the center, belly to the floor. Yeah, a few rounds in this moving and opening the chest. Okay, exhale back to the center. Okay, lakukan lagi sendiri by your own. Now, I want to see you moving. Okay, good. Feel on the left shoulder joint. Yeah, feel on the hips, the lower back. Great. Yeah, try to move slower. Good. Pelan-pelan geraknya, jangan terburu-buru. Okay. Good. 2 more rounds ya, coba lakukan 2 kali lagi. Ya. And the last round, stay in opening your body to the side. Stay there for a moment. Yeah. Good. Or maybe you can touch your toes with your left finger. Yeah, maybe you can touch your right toes with your left fingers, like you do dancer pose. Grab your ankles maybe, or just touch your toes with your fingers. Yeah, and then also feel the opening on the right thighs. Okay. And also slightly compression on the lower back. Stay another 2. Good. And one more breath. And exhale, release. Back to your prone position. Okay. Now from here, now the right hand lagi ya, tangan kanannya, straight your right arm beside your ears. And again, open your body to the left side, but this time, bend your left knee to your chest. Yeah. Previously, we bend the left knee and drop back, but this time, bend your left knee to your chest. Okay. From here, inhale, and swing your left atau raise your left arm up. Angkat tangan kirinya ke atas. Let's do the reclining twist. Open your chest facing up. Into your reclining twist. And Hanil, yang ditekuk lutut kirinya, Hanil. Lutut kiri untuk oke, ada benar ya. Dari sini exhale lagi, rolling back to your prone position. Rolling back to your prone position. Ya, but keep your right arm to the front. Lagi ya. Inhale, rolling to the left side. Facing your body to the left side. Bend your left knee. And swing again your left arm up into your reclining twist. Open your chest. Open your chest. Good. Exhale, rolling down, facing to the floor, the first position. Yeah, one more round. Inhale, open your body to the left, bend your left knee to the side, and lift your left arm up. Open your chest into your reclining twist. Inhale. Now stay there for a moment. Stay in this reclining twist. Now feel a deeper twist on the spine, and also try to stretch the outer hips, the outer left hip. Stay another 2. And exhale. Okay, now when we come back, we start to engage our abdominal. So raise your arms up beside your ears. Raise your arms up. Angkat kedua tangannya di sisi telinga dua-duanya. Good. And then straight your left leg. Luruskan kaki kirinya ke arah kaki kanan. Ya, dan pelan-pelan rolling without touching your hands down to the floor. Rolling to the first position into your front. Okay. And exhale, release. Ya, ada yang bingung nggak? Nggak kan ya? Gampang ya? Easy ya? Okay, now do the other side. Now left arm. Support your head with your left arm. Okay. Right palm beside your chest. Okay. Now inhale, open your body to the right, bend your right knee to the side. And right arm up. Now open the chest into your reclining twist. Exhale, rolling down lagi. Kembali tengkurap menghadap ke bawah. Ke posisi awal. The first position. Okay, 2 more round. Inhale, tangan kanan di sisi dada. Buka tubuhnya ke samping kanan. Then swing your right arm up. Open the chest, reclining twist. Keep bending your right knee to the side. And exhale, rolling, facing down to the floor. First position. Okay, one last round. Coba lakukan sendiri. By your own. One last round. Rolling to the left. Open your chest. Bend your right knee to the side. And now stay there in this reclining twist. Maybe you can twist deeper. Feel on the movement on the spine. And also stretching for the outer right hip. You can also look to the side and also move the neck. Another 2 in this reclining twist. And one more breath. Good. Exhale. Now arms up. Dua-duanya tangannya angkat ke atas. Kedua tangan di sisi telinga. Arms up. And straight your right leg to the left. Right leg to your left foot. And slowly rolling down. Touch into your first position. Rolling down first position. Pelan-pelan. Jangan ngegablok. Okay. Good. One breath in this first position. Inhale. And exhale. This time, palms beside your chest like you want to do cobra. Palms beside your chest. Good. Now inhale. Roll your shoulders back into your cobra. Good. And stay there in this cobra. Now bend your knees. Tekuk lututnya di belakang. Bend your knees. Great. Good. Now look to your right side. Now twist your body to the right side. Maybe you can look to your toes. The right toes. To the center. Inhale. Cobra Mbak Agustin. Cobra posisinya. Posisinya cobra Mbak Agustin. Tekuk lututnya. King cobra. Good. Exhale. Now to the left side. To the left side. Good. Now straight your legs. Straight your legs. Luruskan kakinya. One more. Inhale. Lengthen in this cobra. And exhale. Twist your upper body only to the right side. Look to your right shoulder. Okay. Inhale. Center. Exhale to the left side. Okay. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale slowly. Push your hips back into your child pose. Lengthen again the spine after the back bend. One more in this child pose. Inhale there. And exhale. Good. Inhale, roll up, sitting on your heels. Now, lift your hips, kneeling position, maybe slightly in the middle of the mat. Into your kneeling position. Dari sini, swing your legs to the left, kakinya arahkan ke samping kiri. We did before in the front position, but this time with kneeling, knees as the axis, as the touching the floor. And exhale, slowly sit down on your right buttocks. Sit down on your right buttocks into your Bharat Vajrasana. Now inhale, arms up, angkat tangannya ke atas. Good. Now exhale, twist to your right side. Right palm to the floor, left hand outside of your right thigh. Inhale again, into the center, arms up. Good. One more exhale, swing the arms to the right, the twist to the right side, and then look to the side. This time, right palm down to the floor, and push your hip to the side, and kick your left leg into the front of your mat, into your mini side plank. Mini side plank. Stay there for a moment. Inhale. And exhale, look down to your right hand. Look down to your right hand and pull your right knee to the right hand. Now facing to the back of your mat into your pigeon. Pigeon sekarang ke arah sebaliknya. Great. Udah semua pigeon. Good. Now left palm down to the floor. Inhale, lift your chest, lengthen your spine like you do cobra. And now swing your right arm to the back and up, twist pigeon. Exhale, again to your sleeping pigeon. One more, Inhale, lift your chest, swing your right arm to the back and open your right chest, twist pigeon. Exhale, release your right hand down. Okay, now press your palms to the floor, tuck your left toes, jinjit kaki kirinya. Inhale, now to strengthening your arms, lift your right knee to the chest, into your plank, knee to chest. Plank, knee to chest. Now inhale, kick your right leg up into your three-leg dog. Now the abdominal, because it's connected with the hips and also with the spine twist. Now right knee to your left elbow. Now right knee to the right elbow. Try to circle up. This is the hip mobility movement. Kick your right leg again up, three-leg dog. Exhale, one more, right knee to your left elbow. And then to the right elbow. And then try to kick up from the side. And then lift up into your three-leg dog. Exhale, release down into your down dog. Good. Now shoulder forward plank. Inhale. The first position, knees down to the floor and lift your body up. Kneeling. Keep facing back. Ke arah sebaliknya. Now arms up. Inhale. This time the feet, the legs to the right. The legs swing to the right side. And then sit down on your left buttock. Sit down on your left Bharat Vajrasana. Good. Arms up. Inhale. 2 times or 2 rounds. Twist your spine to the left side. Right palm outside of your left knee. Look to the left side. Again, inhale, arms up, neutral your spine. One more. Exhale. Swing your arms to the left and do your twist. Maybe deeper from the first. Good. Stay one breath there. Inhale. Now exhale. Left palm to the floor. Yeah. And push your hips to the side. Let the left knee, left shin bones as the touching the floor, and kick your right leg to the back of your mat into your mini side plank. Yeah. Stay one breath in this mini side plank. You can look to the side or look down. Relax the neck. And exhale. Now everyone same. Look down to the left palm and pull your left knee to the left wrist into your pigeon. You can adjust always. Now facing forward in front of the mat and do your sleeping pigeon. You can always adjust your right leg, maybe back, maybe your left knee slightly to the side. Good. Now right palm to the floor. Yeah. Inhale like you do cobra, the spine like you do cobra, and swing your left arm from the back up and forward, back to your sleeping pigeon. Exhale. One more, yeah. Inhale like you do cobra, the spine, and swing your left from the back up, forward, and do your sleeping pigeon. Yeah, now the strengthening part. Press your palms down to the floor. Straight your arms. Engage your abdominal. Left knee to your chest. Inhale there. Stay. Yeah, rounding your back. Exhale. And this time, left leg up. Inhale. 3-leg dog. And then left knee cross or twist to the right elbow. Yes. To the left elbow. And then kick from the side and lift up into your 3-leg dog. Move the left hip joint. One more. Exhale, left knee cross to the right. Slowly Rita, masih to the right. Yeah, and then to the left elbow, slow. Yeah, and then swing to the side and then kick up, moving the left shoulder joint. The left hips joint. One more. Exhale, left knee to your right elbow. To the left elbow. And a circle from the side, kick up, 3-leg dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good. Shoulder forward plank. Inhale. Exhale, knees down to the floor. Okay, first position, kneeling. Inhale, arms up. Okay, now exhale. Again, swing your legs to the left. Sit down on your right hip. Right buttock. Yeah. And this time, open your left knee. Now the external rotation on your left hip. Yeah, open your left knee. Your hands, you can touch the floor, or you can just cross the arms in front of your chest. Yeah, now to try to move without the hand touch the floor. Yeah, exhale, internal rotation, your left hip, your left thigh. Good. Inhale again, external rotation. Good. Exhale, left internal rotation. One more round. Inhale, external rotation. Good. Nggak mau muter. Hanil nggak muter. Hanya paha kiri aja yang dibuka-buka. Paha kanannya nggak berubah. Paha kanan tetap tersentuh lantai. Nah, only the left thigh. Only close and open. Close and open. Ya, exhale. Now close or internal rotation your left thigh. Good. Now inhale, external rotation your left thigh, your left hip. Now straight your left leg to the side. Left leg to the side like you do Janu Sirsasana. Okay. Now the right foot, or the right heel, don't grab with your hand. Don't adjust with your hand, but use your range of motion. Use your ability, to bring the right heel closer to the left hip. Ya, maybe touch your right foot to the left inner thigh without we grabbing and pull. Ya, tanpa tangan. Iya. Kalau nggak bisa sentuh juga nggak masalah. Maybe there's a space distance between the thighs and the right foot is okay. But if you can close the right heel to your right inner thigh. Okay. Now inhale, arms up. Angkat tangannya ke atas. Good. Exhale, twist your body to the left leg which is straight, and then right hand grab the left outer foot. Ya, tangan kanan raih sisi luar kaki kirinya. Oke, tangan kanan raih sisi luar kaki kiri. Oke, left fingers down to the floor. Okay. Now inhale, lengthen first your spine. Okay, and exhale. Now bend your right elbow. Maybe you can twist deeper with the belly to the left thigh. Maybe you can go lower into your forward bend plus twist. Yeah, you can also feel on the back of your left thigh this time. The stretching, the hamstring stretch. Stay for a moment, for 2. And 1. Good. Now inhale, lift your chest up. Okay. This time bend again your left knee to the chest without hand. Yeah. So first lengthen the spine and then engage your front thigh, left thigh, and also the hip flexor to lift. Ya, angkat kaki kiri dari lantai tanpa kita pegang. Okay. If this is too difficult, just bend your left knee. Yeah, without hand. Yeah, and exhale, lower down the left heel, but don't touch the floor. Yeah, this time the hip flexor, the left front thigh, and also the lower belly engagement. Again, inhale, lift, angkat kaki kirinya. Yeah, feel on the left thigh, maybe more. Exhale, release, but don't touch the floor. Okay, one more. Inhale, lift, angkat. Okay, exhale, release, but don't touch the floor. Great. Now inhale, lift, angkat. Good. Stay there. Yeah, stay up. And now bend your left knee to the side of your body, like you want to do the half happy baby. Okay, half happy baby, but don't touch with your hand. Angkat kaki kirinya, Hanil. Okay, angkat kaki kirinya, jangan sentuh lantai. Ya, mengandalkan range of motion, ya, of the joints, and also engagement. Good. Now exhale. Now grab the left foot with your hand. Grab. Okay. Now inhale. Slightly kick the left to the right side. Exhale, pull your left knee to the side of your body. Yeah, again, inhale, slightly kick to the side, to the right. Exhale, pull to the side of your body. Okay, one more, slightly kick. And exhale, pull to the side. Happy baby, half happy baby, Egi. Okay, kalau sudah, baru pull the big toe to your chest, ya, into your nakrasana, ya. Ya, lalu maybe you can hug your shin bone with your hands. Ya, so your left foot to the right elbow, left knee to your left elbow. Ya, hug your left shin bone. Okay, stay there for a moment. Inhale and exhale. Good. Now, slightly adjust your right heel away from the hips. Ya, adjust tumit kanannya, jauhkan dari pangkal paha, bukan lurus, ya, not straight. Keep bending. Ya, we will do the double pigeon. Ya, now place the left the left calf on top of your right calf into your double pigeon or fire pose, ya, or square pose. Ya, letakkan ankle kiri di atas paha kanannya into your double pigeon. Okay, stay there. Okay, one more inhale there. Now arms up. Stay one more inhale. Maybe you can push your left knee closer to your right heel. Ya, feel on the left shoulder. Shoulder terus. The left hip joint. One more there. Inhale. Now exhale. Twist your body to the right. Yeah, twist your spine to the right. Now left elbow. Maybe on your left heel. Maybe on your left inner arch of your right foot. Ya, di telapak kaki kirinya kalau bisa. Kalau nggak bisa di tumit bagian dalam boleh. Ya, twist deeper. Then place your palms together. Press your palms together. Okay, if you can move the thumbs to the chest by lift the right shoulder up and then roll back the shoulder blade. Ya, so the thumbs in front of your chest. Jadi jempol kanannya di depan, jempolnya di depan dada, bukan di arah di bahu kanan. Jadi bisa twist lebih dalam, twist deeper. Stay for 2. Feel also on not only on the spine twist, but also the outer left hips. Stretch for 2. And one more breath. Okay, good. Inhale, natural, lengthen. Now exhale without hands. Internal rotation your left thigh. Yeah, the first position, remember, you can pull your right heel in into your Bharat Vajrasana. Okay, first position. Now inhale, lift your hips up. Lift your hips up. And exhale, baru tangan ke lantai. Adjust your knees in the middle of your mat. Ya, first position lagi. Inhale, lift your arms up. Okay, I will turn ya. Now this time swing your your legs to the right side. Okay, and then sit down on your left hip. Duduk di bokong kirinya. Okay, now only the right thigh, the right hip joint we will move ya, without hand. Inhale, external rotation your right thigh. Yeah. Exhale, internal rotation your right thigh. 3 more round. Inhale, only the right, not moving the left. Only the right. Exhale, close or internal. Yeah, the hands you can grab forward or grab up, is up to you. Yeah. Inhale, right thigh open, external rotation. Exhale, internal rotation. Yeah, feel only on the right hip joints. One more inhale, external, and exhale, internal. This time inhale, external. Yeah. Now straight your right leg to the side. Right leg to the side. Without hand, adjust your left heel closer to the right inner thigh. Maybe touch the right thigh. The right inner thigh, right. Stay there for a moment. And to your Janu Sirsasana. Great. Now arms up. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Twist your body to the right. Yeah, which is the straight leg. And then grab your outer right foot with your left hand. Right fingers down on the floor. Inhale. Lengthen. Exhale. Bend your left elbow. Maybe you can pull your body closer to the right thigh. Into your forward bend, or just halfway forward bend, and then twist for 2. Okay, and one more breath. Good. Yeah, from here, inhale all the way up. Yeah, this time again, release your hand, don't touch your legs. Bend your right knee. Easy option, bend your right knee and then lift. Yeah, but if you can straight your right leg and lift. Yeah, feel the right thigh engagement, the hip flexor, the lower belly. Yeah, exhale, release, but don't touch the floor. Yeah, 2 more round. Inhale, lift. Iangkat. Exhale, don't touch the floor. One more. Inhale, lift. And release down. Maybe kayak mau rasa kram ya pahanya ya. One more inhale, lift. Now exhale, bend your right knee to the side. Tekuk lututnya ke samping kanan. Ya, like you do happy baby pose. Ya, stay there. Ya, angkat lebih tinggi lututnya. If you can, lift your right knee and grab your right foot with your hand. Good. Now inhale, slightly kick your right leg to the side. And exhale, pull your right knee to the side. Inhale, kick. Exhale, pull your right knee back. Maybe more back. Yeah, one more inhale. Exhale, pull back. And pull your right big toe to your chest. This is the easy option. Or hug your shin bones, your calf with your hand. Okay. Make sure your right heel, ankle, and your right knee in one line. Yeah. So don't lift down. Don't bring down the right heel. Okay, but lift one line with your right knee. Okay, stay for one more. Inhale there. And exhale. Okay, this time adjust your left heel slightly away from the hip. Okay, keep bending your left knee, jangan jauh-jauh juga ya. And place your right ankle, right heel to the left thigh into double pigeon or fire pose. Okay, great. If you can, without hand, push your right thigh, right knee to the right heel. Feel on the right outer hip deeper. And then inhale, arms up. Angkat tangannya ke atas. Then twist to your left side. And maybe right elbow to your right heel only or right ankle only. Maybe right elbow to the sole of your right foot. Then press your palms in front of your chest. By lift your left shoulder blades up and roll back. So look to your thumbs really in front of the chest. Okay, stay in this twist fire pose or twist double pigeon for 2 and 1. Okay, great. Inhale all the way up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, release your hand. Now external rotation your right leg back to the first Bharat Vajrasana. Okay, and inhale, lift your hips up and palms down. Back to your first position into your child pose. Okay, stay in child pose. Relax the hips for a while. And breathe there. Relax the spine, natural position in this child pose.
Let's continue. Okay, from Chapos, let's do a vinyasa. Yeah, from here, and you can roll up to your cow. Inhale, and then exhale. From here, dorong pinggul ke belakang, push your hips back into your downward facing dog. Yeah, we don't do chaturanga on Monday, so and now try to move your hips one by one, legs, knees bend in one time. Moment for releasing the tension in your back. Yeah, and also you can make a light twist, yeah, preparation for a deeper twist. So you can twist your body into the right side, and then bend the right knee, and then twist to the left side, and exhaling. Now from here, inhale the right leg up into a three-leg stalk, yeah, and exhale from here, bend the right knee, and then step your right foot forward. Bend the left knee into the floor. Inhale into your Anjaneyasana. Anjaneyasana. And then from here, exhale, you twist into a twisted Anjaneya. Yeah. Twisted Anjaneya. Open the shoulder. And now reverse Anjaneya twist. Lift your left arm. And then reach your right hands back. Grab your ankle. Grab your left ankle. And look into your right shoulder. So feel here the twist and back bend in one time. And lengthen your spine. Extend your back. Extend your side body long. And exhale slowly. Lift up. And to your into the hands to your into the mat. Yeah. And from here, lengthen and stretch your right leg and push your hips back. Now externally rotate your right hip, pull back into Parsvottanasana. Stretch your right leg and then feel that hamstring stretch, calf muscle stretch. You can reach your hands more forward, ya, tangan lebih ke depan lagi. Panjangkan lagi tulang punggung. And then from here, bend the right knee and then kick your left leg up into your standing split. Yeah, and standing split. And maybe you can grab your ankle, go deeper into your standing split, stretch your hamstring again. Yeah. And then exhale. From here, bend the left knee, and then twist. Yeah. Lower down and twist. Come into your Ardha Matsyendrasana position. And then sit down. And then lift your left arms again. Right hands back, lift your left arms. And exhale, twist into Ardha Matsyendrasana. Now, putar. Yeah. Open. Maybe you want to grab your hand. Internally rotate your left shoulder. And then right hands back, and then grab your hand from behind. So you have this Ardha Matsyendrasana, Baddha Ardha Matsyendrasana, for a deeper twist. Yeah. Again, you can create length. Yeah. Stretch your spine and then twist. Suck your belly in, and feel here massage in your inner belly, in inner organ. And you can open your right shoulder and exhaling completely. Release. Inhale and lift your arms up, both arms up, and exhale. Now turn into the left side and then go down into open twist, and you can put your forehead down. Stay there. Breathe and feel again the untwist. Yeah, after you twist, you untwist with the open twist. Yeah, so that is good for your spine and good also for the nerve system. Exhaling completely. Now inhale, roll up, and exhale. Now right hands forward, and then lift up your left leg into your Ardha Chandrasana. Ardha Chandrasana. Yeah. So kick your left leg up, opening your hips. You can floin or flexion your left foot. Bend the right knee slightly, and then externally open your shoulder. Externally open your left shoulder, and you can reach your left arms up and spread your fingers on the top, so that you can reach your hands up. The energy flowing from the right hand into the left hand. Yeah. And then from your right toes into the left toes. Exhaling completely. Bend again the left knee. Bend again the left knee. Now squaring your hip. Yeah. Now grab your left ankle with your right hand. And then all the way up, roll up. Externally rotate your left arm into a dancer twist. Yeah, lengthen, open shoulder into dancer twist. Stay there. Breathe. Feel the stretch in your back. Now release. Yeah. Externally rotate your left hip, and then twist your spine to your right side, to the left side, and then make a Shiva pose. Bend the right knee. Yeah. Stay there. So twist, bend the knee, and then open your hips in one time. Inhale one more. And exhale, release. Left leg, step back. And right leg up, inhale. 3 legs dog. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Now inhale, rolling forward. Bend the knee. Shoulder back, indirectly to cobra. Extend your spine, drag your hands back. Yeah, when you do cobra, don't push your chest up, but rather pull your hands back and then extend your spine forward, so you can feel that stretching on your lower back, not compression. Yeah, in cobra. And exhale, chin in. Exhale, pull back into your Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Rest for a moment in down dog. Whew, yes, flexibility is not really mobility. Flexibility is not really easy. Yeah, so you have really to engage the muscle still. Yeah, so we call it active stretch. Also in down dog, don't rest in down dog, but really making engagement from your arms, forearms, your bicep, tricep. Yeah, don't lock the joint, the elbow joint, rather than activate your shoulder. Externally rotate your shoulder, lengthen your spine, push your hips up toward the ceiling, push your hamstring back, and push your heels back. So stretch your leg, stretch your back. Inhale, left leg up into your 3 legs dog. You can open your hip when you do the 3 legs dog here. Now we want to opening the hips so that you can feel that range of motion of your left hip is increasing. You can lift your left leg higher, like a standing split. Yeah. And exhale, bend the left knee, and then rounding your back, pull in, and then step your left foot forward in between your hands. Right knee down into the floor, and then circle your arms back into Anjaneyasana. Now in Anjaneyasana, don't push your hips down. Rather, tuck your tailbone in. Yeah, tuck your tailbone in. Create a elongate on your spine. Lift your chest. Extend. Yeah. If you go down with your hips, you will compress your lower back. So we want to create length. This is for preparation for the twist. Yes. Inhale. Now exhale, twist first into the left side. Opening your arms, open your shoulder, and reach your right hand, left hand forward and back. So as if 2 persons is pulling you from the front and from the back. Yeah. Stay there first, cow. Not yet. Not yet, cow. Not yet. You just reach forward first. Create length and then inhale. Lift up your right arms and then grab your left ankle. Extend your right side body long. And feel that opening and create length in the twist. Nola, putar lagi tubuhnya, Nola. Twist lagi lebih dalam. Ya. And then open more. Yeah, if you cannot reach the ankle, okay, no problem. You just support your left hand into your lower back, and then twist. It's okay. Ya, nggak usah harus nyampe di ankle, but just rather a twist. Ya, feel that stress in your obliques muscle. And exhaling. Inhale up. Exhale, hands down. And lift your right knee off from the floor. Stretch your left leg. Lengthen first. Inhale. Exhale, go down deeper into Parsvottanasana. You can keep your right heel up. And then square your hips. Yeah. Or you can externally first your left hip and then pull in again and go down deeper. Feel that hamstring stretch. Or you can put your right heel down. Your foot a little bit, right foot a little bit turn out. It's okay. Go down deeper. Stretch your left hamstring. Feel this stretch in your left hamstring, left calf muscle, and stretch your back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bend the left knee. And then lift up your right leg. Kick into your standing split. Grab your left ankle with your left hand and then go down deeper into your standing split. And your right toes is active, yeah, floating or pointing, active. Lift up toward the ceiling your right leg and go down deeper. Stay there. Yeah, feel that hamstring stretch. Ya, Hanil, tubuhnya jangan terlalu condong ke depan, ya. Pinggul sama kaki sejajar lagi. Yes, that's right. This is better. Very good, Hera. Nice, nice cow. Nice. Very good. Siapa itu? Lia ya? Oke, Lia. Nice, Lia. Hey, Deci, good. Egi, nice. Everyone, very good. Inhale. And look up. Exhale. From here. Square your hip. Bend the right knee. And cross your right knee in the outside of your left heel. And then sit down into the floor. Left hands back. Create length first. Yeah. Make a wave on your spine into elongation. Reach up your right arms. Exhale, twist into your left side. Deeper. Yeah? So that if possible, yeah, there is no space between your right armpit and your thighs. No space. You can really twist deeper. Either you just put your hands here, open, or again internally rotate your right shoulder and then grab your hand from the back and then bind your hand into Baddha Ardha Machendrasana. Yeah. And then you can look back behind you into your left shoulder. Ya. Masukin lagi Iren tangannya. Ya, panjangin lagi tulang punggung and then masukin lagi tangan kanan ke dalam, putar lagi bahunya, internally rotate your right shoulder and then grab deeper. Yeah, very good. Feel this amazing feeling for the twist and for our inner organ in the belly. So it's very good for our digestion system. If you have constipation, you have problem with your stomach, this is the therapeutic. Yeah, and release. Exhale. Untwist. Ratio both arms up. Inhale first. Neutral your spine. And then untwist into your right side. Stay here or go down deeper into your forward bend and twist. Touch your forehead down into the floor. Nice. Cow, you twist first your shoulder. Yeah. Don't let your right shoulder collapse down. Don't let your right shoulder collapse down. But open the right shoulder. Left shoulder, right and left shoulder parallel, and then go down. So both shoulder parallel. Don't collapse your right shoulder down. Yes. Now you're still collapsing your right shoulder. Twist again. Yeah, twist again the right shoulder back. Yeah. Yes. And then from there, again, lift your right shoulder up and go down. Lift your right shoulder up and go down. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, okay, it's better. Yeah, it's better. And inhale all the way up. And exhale. Now lean forward. And then left hands forward. And lift your hips. And then kick your right leg up into Ardha Chandrasana. Open your right arms. Flex your right foot or flointing. Open your right shoulder. Bend the left knee. Yeah, the lower knee don't lock. Just slightly bend. Engage the thighs muscle. Engage the calf muscle. Press down the heel to the floor. And open your right shoulder. And lift up your right leg slightly. Open your hips. Yeah, you can look down or look to the side. Spread your right fingers. Lengthen. And exhale. Now again, rounding your back. And then touch your right knee into your calf muscle. And then twist your body into the left side. Grab your right ankle with your left hand. And then lift up, roll up into your dancer twist. Externally rotate your left shoulder. External rotate your right shoulder. And lift into your dancer twist. Angkat lagi, Ren. Tangannya salah, tangannya dari luar. Tangannya eksternal, ya. So tangannya jangan dari dalam gini, ya. Tangannya putar, buka keluar, grab ankle. Ya, itu lebih bagus untuk back bend, ya. So external rotate, lift up again your right knee. Egi, angkat lagi kakinya, angkat lagi lututnya. Lift up, yes. Lift more up, lean your body forward. And exhale, release. Into your Shiva pose from here. Bend the right knee, bend the left knee. External rotate your right hip. And then twist your spine into your Shiva pose. Stay there. Yeah, that's right. Ayo cow. Balance. Bend the left knee more. Bend the left knee. Bend the left knee so that you can twist deeper. If you are straight the leg, you cannot twist. Very difficult. But if you bend the left knee, your hips have more space to twist. Very good. Tubuhnya jangan condong ke belakang, Deci. Tetap tubuhnya di tengah. Jangan condong ke belakang. Stay there. Woo. And exhale, release. Step right foot back. Oh, nice. Flexibility like power yoga, okay? Left leg up. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Welcome to Monday mobility and flexibility class. So you can here make a move first on your hips. Bend the knee in one time. And then inhale again, roll forward into your cobra. Shoulder back. Drag your hands back. Lift your chest up. And exhale, back to your child pose. Lengthen your spine, forehead down. Breathe into your nose. And exhaling to the nose. Inhale now. From here, roll up into your tabletop. And then exhale. Now from right here, right arm, circle up. The right arm circle up. Open your chest. And then make a rolling panda. Twist your right arms. Twist to the left side. The right shoulder behind your left wrist. Stay there. And then from here, you can stretch your left leg into your right hand. Grab your left foot with your right hand. With a twist. Yeah. Stay there. Balancing on your right shoulder and your right head. Feel the stretch in your inner hamstring and stretch in your lower back. And you can stay here or you kick your left leg up. This is a gentle inversion with your shoulder twist and a spine twist. Yeah, left leg up. Stay there. Straight your left leg back like you do three-legged dog. You can stay here or bend the left knee and Release your left hand slowly. Grab your ankle with your left hand if you can. Stay there. Don't collapse. Hey, collapse. Irene, Rosa. And just stay there. Yeah. Echo. Come back. So you have to really press the shoulder down in order to balance. Press the right hand into the floor. Press the back hand, right hand to the floor so that you can balancing. And exhale, release down. Okay, inhale all the way up, back. Right arms up. Yeah. Right arm up. Now kick your left leg back. Kick your left leg back. External rotate your right arms. Grab your left ankle with your right arms into your twisted lion pose. Open chest, open shoulder. Yeah, you can stay here. If you are more flexible, yeah, you can grab the big toe with your right arms, bend your right elbow. Maybe you can turn your right elbows up and lift into your another variation of the lion twist. And exhale, release. Down child pose. Very good. Nice. Stretch your spine. Lengthen your back. Inhale. Cow pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe into your nose. Exhaling to the nose. And then left leg up into 3-leg dog. Exhale, draw back into your right side. Draw back to your right side. And to your preparation for vaulting. Now first, what you do is that the shoulder, yeah, be careful with your vaulting. Your shoulder have to first move back. So lift your right shoulder up. Yeah, this is called scapulohumeral rhythm. Lift your right shoulder up to your ear. Roll your right shoulder back. Squeeze your shoulder blades in. Lift your right chest. And then scoop your tailbone in. Elongate your spine. Lift your left heel. And then you do the vaulting. That is the step-by-step for doing vaulting. Lengthen. Very good. Now open the chest. Open the heart. Maybe if you want, yeah, we call it a pose. Actually, this is belong to the Wednesday class. Only if you are with me in Wednesday class, you can go up with your left leg. Yeah, we call it Kapinjalasana. So grab your ankle, grab your big toe with your left index middle finger and lift. This is this is the vaulting variation. Left leg up, Kapinjalasana, right? Oh no, Kapinjalasana. Sorry, Himalayasana. Yeah, Himalayasana we call it. Yeah. So it's not a side plank. Yeah, it's a back bend. It's a okay. You can go down. Watch me. This is the pose called Himalayasana. Yeah. This is only option for you who only attend my Wednesday class. If not, just do vaulting. Yeah, the usual. If you attend my Wednesday class, you are strong enough to do this. Yeah. So you bend the left knee, and then grab your left big toe with your left index middle finger, and then straight up. This is called Himalayasana. You do this vaulting and left leg up. Yeah. It's like a side plank, but it is only for Wednesday people. Yeah. Otherwise, you just do vaulting. Okay. One more time. Shoulder back and lift up. Yeah, that's okay. No worry. Just stay here. If you are in the Wednesday class, go up. Ayo Egi, angkat kakinya. Ya Deci, tahan situ. And lift. That is side plank kau. You are doing side plank, not back bend. You do a back bend, a vaulting. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, exhale back to your child pose. Flexibility, mobility, so hard. Relax, yeah, just option. Sometimes we need some challenges. Yeah, I know this is Monday, but it's okay. Just for another option, yeah, but no need to do. Lengthen the back, forehead down. Inhale. Now I turn to make it easier. So inhale, roll up into your tabletop, and then lift up your left arm. Open the chest, open the shoulder, and then you twist to the other side. Your left shoulder down, left hands down. Stay here. Yeah, feel that twist on your back, and then also releasing tension in neck. Feel that also stretch in your left shoulder, and also the rhomboid muscle. Yeah, you can change your hand slightly forward so that you can support and twist deeper, and then you can stretch your right leg into the left side. Grab your right foot with your left hand. Yeah, stay there. And maybe if this is too easy for you, yeah, you can stay there or kick your right leg up into the ceiling like you do three-leg dog. Stay there, balance. Yeah. Or if this is too easy also, bend the right knee. Press your left hand. Oops. Press your left hand, left shoulder down to the floor. Yeah. And then bend the right knee. And then grab your inner foot with your right hand. External rotate your shoulder, lift up into your variation. This variation. I think we did. Okay. Later we do this other thing. Okay, stay there. Very nice. Bagus, Mbak Agustin. Bagus. Nice. Good, Iren. Ya, Deci. Bagus, Hanil. Hanil kalau bisa puter tangannya keluar. Ups, jatuh. It's okay. Tangannya putar keluar, jangan ke dalam, ya. Tangan kanannya putar keluar. So if you do back bend, it's better with this external rotation. Yeah, you open the chest and exhale, release down. Inhale, lift your left arms up, open the chest, and then kick your right leg back. Yeah, open again the chest, grab your ankle with your left hand into your lion twist. Stay here. Okay, very nice. Stay there. Feel that stretch in your left shoulder, stretch in the back. Deci kayak salah ya, tangan. Kita twist, Deci. Kaki kanan yang ke belakang, tangan kiri yang ke belakang. Twist. Open. Lion twist. Ya, begitu. And exhale, release down. Or sorry ya. For that people who want to do deeper, you can grab your big toe and then bend your elbow and then lift up your elbows. Yeah. So if you are ready, if not, don't do that. Yeah. Exhale, down dog. Breathe. In down dog. Walk your feet, yeah, and release the tension in your back, and then bend the knees, rolling forward to your cobra. Open the chest, lengthen your spine. Exhaling back to your downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up, three legs dog. Exhale, drop back into your left side. Sorry, right side, yeah? Right side. Okay, good. From here, First, the shoulder. Oh, aku terbalik ya. Tangan kiri ya? Ini kayak kiri, ke belakang. Bener kan? Oh, kanan dulu ya. Kanan, sorry, kanan ya. Tadi kaki kiri, sekarang kaki kanan, ke belakang. Sorry, yeah. That's right. I'm wrong. Yeah. So you raise your right leg and then drop back to the left side. Yeah. Now your shoulder first. Yeah. Left shoulder, lift to your ear, turn back. Yeah. Shoulder back. The scapulohumeral, you can do a few times here. Make your shoulder first mobile. Yeah, and then bend your elbows, open your shoulder, squeeze your shoulder blades in, lift your left chest, lift your right heel, scoop your tailbone in, elongate your spine to your wild thing. Yeah, open. Yeah, and then your wrists don't perpendicular, not perpendicular to your shoulder. Push slightly back so that you have an angle of about 45 degree. Yeah, so that you can protect your wrist from injury. Yeah, so that is the position, not this. Yeah, this is very dangerous for your wrist and also for your shoulder. So push back, and your knee is pushing back, pushing to the direction in your vaulting. Push. Yeah, that's right. Now, if you want, yeah, keep that back bend. We do Himalayasana if you are attending my Wednesday class. And right, you can bend the right knee, grab your big toe, and then lift up your right leg into Himalayasana. Stay there. Belum. Salah, Iren, kamu itu side plank, itu Vasisthasana. Kamu mesti back bend, tetap di back bend, Irita. Yeah, that's right. In that back bend, you lift your right leg. Yes, Rita. Nah, yeah. Slowly, just first the right leg. First the right leg up. Stabilize first the right leg. Ayo, nah, Hera, kamu kaki terlalu lurus. Kaki ke bawahnya jangan lurus. Ya, kaki bawahnya harus ditekuk. Kalau enggak susah. Ya, so bend the knee, push the knee to the back, and then lift. Ya, bend the knee. Don't straight the leg. If you straight the leg, it's already Vasisthasana. It's different. Ya, different pose. Bend the knee, bend the lower knee. Yeah. Yes, like you do vaulting. Same thing like vaulting, only lift up. That is Kapinjalasana kau. Yeah, that is Kapinjalasana. Okay, exhale, child pose. And relax your back. Breathe. And stay there. Breathe deeply. Exhaling slowly. Inhale, roll up to your tabletop. Now let's do a wrist stretch after we do this vaulting and we have burden in wrist. So bring your back hand into the floor, stretch your wrist. Ya, punggung tangannya Mbak Feby ya, punggung tangannya Hanil. Yes, so the back hand into the floor, press down. And maybe you can push your hips back, stretch your, we call it a forearm extensor. Yeah, the forearm extensor stretch. Stay there, breathe. And inhale, release. And you can make a shake. And then from here you can make a fist, yeah, like you want to pour a cup of tea into a glass. So make this thumb and then do this, yeah, do this. Press the thumb into the fingers and then make this, yeah, make this, yeah, like you want to pour a tea cup, yeah. And then from here you can make a circle. Keep that, yeah, keep that stretch in your wrist. Stretch your elbow and then circle to the outside and then circle to the inside. Yeah, this is very important to to do after you do some kind of burden in your wrist, so you can really feel this stretch your wrist. And then last one, yeah, you can keep your back hand now to the floor facing each other, yeah, and then make a fist and then release, make a fist, release, yeah, make a fist and release, fist, release, and exhale, release. Yeah, shake your hand. And let's close this class with a forward bend. After some twist and back bend, we can do forward bend here into a gentle Paschimottanasana. You can bend the knee, yeah, no need to straight, bend the knee. First, create length in your back, and then touch your belly into your thighs. Grab the outer foot with your both hands, lengthen. You can stay here or go deeper, and then relax your back, relax your neck. Stay here. And the last, if you are okay, you can straight the leg and push your heels forward and then go down into your Paschimottanasana. Stay here. Ya, Nola, jangan terlalu rounding backnya. Panjang lagi tulang punggung, just bend the knee, lengthen your back and lower down. Ya, jangan Hanil juga, jangan Hanil, kamu masih bongkok, lebih baik tekuk lututnya, ya, tekuk lututnya sedikit, and then panjang lagi tulang punggungnya. So this is better, ya. Exhaling completely. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Now open the legs. Satu and other leg. Open the legs, and then to the right side first. Right hand down, left arms up. Inhale. Exhale, side bend into your right leg and relax here. Relax your head to the right shoulder and feel that stretch in your left side body. Feel the stretch in your back and surrender. Stay here, breathe deeply. Or you can maybe grab your right foot if you want, also can. Exhaling completely. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, turn the other side into your Parsva Upavista Konasana. Or just relax your hand, support your head also can. Open your shoulder. Open your armpit, open your ribs, and relaxing your back with a side bending. Take a deep inhale. And slowly exhaling. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, close your feet together in front of your mat and lay down into the floor. Let's have a Savasana after stretch. It's very important so that your muscles come back into a after we tense the muscle, now we relax the muscle. Yeah, so that muscle will be relaxed and no tension. No activation, just fully relax. Close your eyes and enjoy this moment. Enjoy how your blood is flowing from your heart through the tippy fingers, to the tippy toes, to the crown head, to all direction of your body. Feel this moment of your relaxation. Feel the relaxation deeper and deeper into the body. From your toes. So feel also this little kind of electricity. Yeah. So if you are really stretch the body, so you can feel that electricity into the edge of your body, to the fingers, to the toes, because that make your blood flow really now flowing very well, so that the energy is flowing in your body very well. The energy from the Mula chakra in the pelvic area to the sacrum, into the abdominal, into your heart, into your throat, into your third eyes, until into the crown head. So feel this energy is circulating from the bottom to the top and top to the bottom. And feel any sensation in your body, in your mind, in your heart after this practice of mobility and flexibility yoga, Sthira yoga. Relaxing your mind, enjoying this moment of stillness in your mind, enjoying the moment of your opening in the heart, receiving the loving energy from this universe to your heart. Let the universe showering you with the loving energy. Stay relaxed. And gently, slowly bring back the awareness into your mind, your body, and your soul. Move your fingers, move your toes, turn your ankles, and turn your wrists. And then close your feet together, bend the knees into your chest, hug yourself to your knees, and stay here for a moment. Then you can turn your body to the right, to the left, massage your spine, massage your back, massage your shoulder, massage your body, shoulder, and head. Inhale, lift your right arms or left arms up above your head and turn your body to the right side or to the left side. Put your one hand in front of the belly. Stay relaxed for a moment. Take a deep inhale. Exhaling completely. Stretch your right leg and go up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. Close your eyes, keep that, and hands to your heart into your Namaste Mudra. And again, feel this moment, the stillness in your mind, your body, and your soul in a gentle meditation. And dedicate this practice for yourself or for people surround you who need your attention today. May this yoga practice bring purification to our mind, our body, and our soul. Namaste, everyone. Thank you. Okay. Okay, let's take a picture. Okay. Let's take a picture. Don't forget, today afternoon we have still a class soul flow. It's called slow flow. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Okay. See you tomorrow or tonight with Tasha. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, thank you Cao. Cảm ơn. Yeah. Okay. See you ya. Hmm? Ý.